Good morning, guys. In the last session, we discussed about the admin functionality and we faced some issue with the admin menu. So I think Kannan has fixed that issue. So let me take the latest code from Git repository for the front end application. Guys, any changes happen to the backend API? Guys, any changes happen to the backend API? No changes to the backend API.
I think no change happened, Ashok. Um,
Yeah, I'm taking the pull for front end application. I think anything are changed here.
I think this guy has changed this one. Satan has changed some, I think, admin related changes. So
Okay,
just now pinged me.
they're fixed now.
Yeah, it is fixed, it's fixed only. I have added the images, so I think that's what you are seeing.
Okay, fine, good.
Yes.
Good. So let me start my backend APIs. I'm running my backend APIs, guys. Once the backend APIs are ready, then we will start our front end application. So let me go to console. Yeah, so this is our front end. Let me execute ng serve command. Yeah, meanwhile, Kannan, can you give the overview? Or can you share your screen and show the what you have implemented? What are the fix that you have done, Kannan? Can you share the screen?
Yes, yes, Ashok, just 1 minute. My system is starting. I'm
Okay,
getting
sure.
ready. Okay. Give me some 2 to 3 minutes.
Just share your screen and explain what changes you have done for the
Yes,
fix.
yes. Okay. So give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
Ashok, can I share the screen now? Ashok?
Kanan, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, yes. Sure.
Yeah, you can share it now.
You were able to see my screen, Ashok?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, just I changed some
UI, okay?
just look and feel. Okay. What I'm going to do, for mobiles also added few things.
Okay.
Adding few items to the cart.
Mm-hmm.
So cart also I changed some look and feel here.
Okay.
Okay. Just push checkout. I'm giving this email, place order, just to see one end-to-end flow.
Okay.
So it is successful. Continue shopping. The cart is getting empty. And the database, you can see it is confirmed with today's date. Okay. This is today's date, 17th October. Okay. So everything is getting updated here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm logging as admin user. So it's immediate, I change to the sidebar going to the
Yeah, once the admin is logged in, the sidebar is updated.
updated and filter orders. Okay, you can see all the orders, whatever we raised
Others are coming here. Okay.
here. So now once we log out, immediately it is
Coming back to the normal menu.
normal menu. Okay, home page. I'm back to the home page.
Excellent.
Now again, I'm logging in as my user.
Mm-hmm.
It's normal user. Okay, so here it is going to the list of thing orders, whatever he done. Okay, so no change in here.
Yeah,
Logging out again coming. So I set by default it should I think show the sidebar of the normal user with
correct.
category. Whenever we log in as an admin, it should show that admin dashboard. Okay.
Yes.
So whatever change yesterday Sadhanand done was I think right only, everything right only. But the issue we found it's something like uh, in the login service we are storing the session, right? Instead of we are storing the session. In the meantime, I am taking the data to I created one it's a new service. Okay, what is that? Is it is user role service
Okay.
where I'm I think storing the value whether it is an admin or normal user. Okay, so here taking as a what to say. So behavior state. So I think storing that particular value in the service so that the service will be act as a mediator between the login service and the product category. Okay. So I am session storage role. This will then again this will take the particular role, what kind of role it is taking. So what happens? in login service, we are hard coding the value. So this also we have to change. So basically we have to change something like we have to set a role table, and we have to make a role for normal user admin. So we should not hard code this. So thus we have to change in future, but whatever change done as of yesterday, based on that only I have changed this one. Okay. So here what we are checking if the admin is there. Check if admin, else we are taking to the valid one. And finally, we are using the, what to say, now where is the product category? Product category. Also what happens while the it's loading, we are getting the update user role, and on the user role service, we are subscribing. So whenever the role changes, the user role service, this will be loaded, and here it will be injected the value. And update role also, session role, get item, we are getting what to say, like normal user. So by default one. Okay. So I am also what to say, I did more investigation with the chat GPT and the Google, then only came up to some conclusion we can create a new service to hold the data, whether it's an admin or normal user. Okay, so here there is no change. We have changed the product category component where I'm injecting the data from user role service to the product category component. Here the role will be getting updated based upon that one. And the data, the role, I am once the login page, I think directs to the login service. Here we will have the session data. Okay, either it's an admin or it should take to the normal user, and that will be communicated here in user role service. Okay, user role service, and from here we are sending the data to the product category component. Yes, type this file. Okay.
Okay. Basically, you created a separate role service which is used to recognize which user is logged in. Based on that, it will update the role.
Yeah, update the product category. From product category, it will take it to the UI, that HTML.
Okay. The product category menu is going to observe that role change. Based on that, it will inject the value to the variable called user role.
Yes, user role. Then it will take there, and it will show. So here only we are doing update the user role. We are getting and subscribe to the user role service to listen any changes in the role, and fetch. This is the fetch category. Okay, fetch category for the normal one plus product category. And here, what to say? This is the one update one. Get item. What fetch role default of normal user. Okay, so these are changes. So what we have to do is, actually I have changed in the app component also. Yes. Yeah, I think here there is no change. Okay, so instead of this one directly hard coding, so I think we have to create a user role table, Ashok.
Yeah,
So
we can do that. We will make the change for
yeah,
that.
yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Good. Thank you, Kanan. Good
Thank you.
job. Hey guys, I'm sharing my screen. I have taken the latest code and I have started all my backend services, product API, order API, and customer API, and admin API. All the 4 APIs I have started, and let me go for my workbench. So here our front-end application is running, laptops are loading, mobiles, shirts, groceries, no, headphones are not available today. So we are able to access our data, and when I click on add to cart, cart is getting added, and here cart items are available. I can increase and decrease, I can remove the products from the cart. So when I go for login, so if I try to log in without giving the data, it is giving invalid credentials. Sign up is available and forgot password is also available. Now let me log in as a admin user. admin@gmail.com and admin123. Click on login. Yes, so with this, we are able to access admin dashboard, login as admin user, admin at the Kannan, did you push your latest code?
Yes, yes, sure. Actually, if you do the refresh and it is going again, that we have to handle actually.
Okay. Click on login. Now when I click on login, I'm able to access admin dashboard and admin menu is coming, filter orders. So when I click on view products, the particular product details are coming here and coming back to this. So I can filter the records which are available here. So this is my email ID. Based on the email ID, I can filter. Only one record is available. If I give the wrong email ID, I'm getting no records found message. That is fine. So when I log in here as a normal user, I'm getting my dashboard. Let me go back to this UI page and I want to see the database, use my database. So select start from customer. Right. So Ashok IT is there, password is 1234. Let me log in as a normal user. So when I log in as a normal user, normal menu is coming. My order tracking details are coming here. I placed one order. The order status is confirmed. Okay. When I click on logout, I'm coming back to the home page. The menu is as expected. So when I log in as a admin user, admin@gmail.com and admin password, something like admin123 is available. Okay, we are getting admin dashboard, which is expected. So we need to handle one functionality that is browser refresh. When we refresh the browser, it is going back to the normal user menu only. So we need to handle that browser refresh functionality. That is one issue is there. When we refresh the browser, so the things are becoming normal. Suppose when I am adding the product to the cart, two products are added to the cart. When I refresh the browser, my cart is becoming empty. Okay. So when I refresh the browser, when I go for the home page, my cart is becoming empty. So this browser refresh, that is one scenario that we need to handle. Guys, do you understand whatever the flow that we have completed so far? So the flow, whatever the flow that we have completed so far in our application, you can just see this one. We have noted down the details, what is completed till now.
Sir, can you explain one side of how to backend is calling from front end?
How?
From front end to how to call a backend, like login, how to going.
Service classes are there, na? HTTP client we are using to make the call. So if you see, this is our front end application. In this front end application, we have the service classes. So if you go to login details, login component.html page is available. Whenever you submit this login form, on submit method will be called. So if you go to the login component.ts, in the on submit, we are calling login service dot check if valid login. Okay. When we call this login service dot check if valid login, in this method, in this login service method, we are going to call that backend API. We are going to call the backend API by using HTTP client. HTTP client.post login, the URL of the login API, and we are giving the login form data. So this is the line where the backend call is happening. I think in the Angular class I also explained this in the product service. In the product service, I have implemented this logic, how to make the backend call by using HTTP client, how to send the GET request, how to send the POST request by using HTTP client.
Sir, we have using 4 microservices, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Currently, we have 4 microservices in the backend. One is
So,
order API, another one is product API, another one is order API, third one is customer API, and fourth one is admin API.
sir, can you explain all these things? So how can we going from first in admin API, customer API, which one is calling first and which one?
Yes. So this is our front-end application. Whenever you run the front-end application, whenever you access the front-end application, localhost :4200 products. So in the background, it is talking the product API. In the product API, we have the functionality to load the products from the backend and load the product category menu from the backend. Product API mainly dealing with two functionalities. Three functionalities are there in the product API in the backend, guys. This backend microservice, which is responsible to load the product details and which is responsible to load the product category menu and filter the products based on the category. When I select the laptops, only laptops are coming. When I select mobiles, only mobiles are coming. When I select shirts, shirts are coming. Okay, loading all the products by default, it is loading the laptops, that is one functionality. Loading the category menu, one functionality. Loading the products based on the category, that is another functionality. And searching the products, that is another functionality. So here mainly these functionalities are there in the product API. And one more thing, product master view also I implemented in the class. When I click on the product image, it is loading the more details about the product details also. Okay, basically, if we see in the product API, what are the functionalities we have implemented? In the backend product API, what functionalities we have implemented? Product API contains below functionalities. Products API contains below functionalities. First one, load products for home page. Okay, then next one, load product category menu items. Load product category menu items. Next one, filter products by category menu. Okay, and the next one, search products with keyword, search products by name using search field, and product details master view. Product master view functionality is available. So these are the mainly 5 functionalities we have implemented in the products API. So when you go for the application, products are loading and menu is loading, dynamic menu is loading. When I click on this menu item, based on that selection category, the products are loading. And when I type search option Dell, all the products which are having the name as Dell, they are loading here. And the product master view is available. So basically, these 5 functionalities are available in the product API. Then next one, after this product API, we have another API called orders API is available. Okay, another API, order API. Before that, cart functionality is available, guys. Whatever the add to cart functionality is available and the cart view functionality is available, that is not related to the backend. That is not related to the backend. Product category, searching the products, category menu, search products, and product master view. So this part completely based on this product API. And coming to add to cart view, increment and decrement the products, removing the products. This is completely our backend functionality, not backend, it's completely front-end functionality. Okay, so this is the product API which we are having. This is the first functionality. Then coming to the second one, cart functionality. Okay, only front end, guys. Cart is not related to the back end. Cart functionality is only front end. In the cart functionality, we have the option add to cart, and we have option view cart, increment quantity and decrement, increment and decrement the quantity, increment and decrement quantity in the cart view page. And we have option called remove from cart. We have option called remove from cart. So this cart functionality is completely front-end functionality, nothing related to back-end. When I click on add to cart, cart item is updated, cart item is updated. When I click on the view, the details which are added to the cart displaying, here I can increase the quantity or I can decrease the quantity or I can remove the product from the cart. So this is only front-end functionality. So once it is done, then we are having another API called orders API is available. Checkout functionality is available and which is having orders API. So then after cart functionality, the third one is checkout functionality is available. Checkout functionality is available. So when we go for checkout functionality, which is having both front end and back end. In the checkout functionality, we are having the customer, we are having form. When I click on item, add to the cart, when I go for proceed to checkout, the customer form is displaying to capture customer details. Checkout functionality is available. Okay, here checkout form. So here we are going to collect customer details, address details. Okay, then after this, here it is going to communicate with Razorpay integration with the backend. Razorpay integration in backend. Razorpay integration in the backend. Storing order and order items in DB. Storing order and order items in the database. Then Razorpay integration in front end. So whenever you fill up this checkout form and whenever you click on place order, then the form data, customer form data, address form data will go to the backend. So checkout form, customer and address details capturing. Customer form to capture, checkout form to capture customer and address details, which customer is placing the order and to which delivery, to which address we need to give the delivery. That information we are capturing in the checkout. Then once that proceed to checkout is clicked, then your data will go to the backend. Razorpay integration is there in the backend. Razorpay order will be created. Then your orders and order items data will be stored into database. Then once your order is created in the database, Razorpay integration in the front end. Okay, the Razorpay pop-up will open. After payment successful, after payment got successful, update order status. Update order status. After payment got processed, update order status. Either it is confirmed or it is cancelled. We need to update the order status. So this is available in the checkout. So this is checkout functionality completely it is dealing with the order API guys. Okay. So this is products and product category. Products and category. It will internally talk with the backend products API. Okay. So we have a functionality, product and category functionality is available. So in that product and category functionality, we are dealing with the product API in the backend. So load products for the home page, load product category menu items, filter products by category selection, search products by name, and product master view. These 5 functionalities are available in this part, and it is talking to the backend API called products API. And the next one, cart functionality is available. For the cart functionality, there is no backend integration. It is completely front-end part only. So what is there in this cart functionality? In the cart functionality, we have add to cart option, view cart option, increment and decrement quantity option is available. Remove from cart is also available. Then coming to checkout functionality. So we are having checkout functionality, checkout form to capture the customer and address details. Razorpay integration is available in the backend. Okay, storing the order and order items in the database. Razorpay integration in the front end. Okay, after payment got processed, we are updating the order status in the database. Okay, so checkout functionality, it is communicating with the orders API in the backend. It is communicating with orders API in the backend. And after this one, we have customer functionality. Customer who is placing the order, the customer functionality is available in our application. Customer functionality is available. It is communicating with the customer API in the background. What is there in the customer functionality? We have registration available and login is available. Registration available, login is available, forgot password is available, and customer dashboard is also available. Okay, so here when you go here as a customer, we have the option to login into the application. If you don't have the account, you can create the account in the application. If you forgot the password, then you can reset your password. And once you log in successfully, your dashboard will come. In the dashboard, it will display what all the orders you have placed. When you log in, your dashboard will display, your order details will be displayed here. You got my point. Customer functionality, customer API. In the backend, we are talking to customer API. In the customer API, customer registration, user login, forgot password functionality, forgot password, and which is used for reset password. Once if you forgot the password, you can use that forgot password functionality in order to reset your password. If you give your mail ID to forgot password screen, application will send an email for you in order to reset your password. You can update your password. Then dashboard. Once you log in, customer dashboard will display with the order details, which orders you placed, when you placed, what is the status. Right. Then next one, we are having admin functionality in our application. Okay. So the fifth one, admin functionality is available. So in this admin functionality, in the backend, we are talking to admin API. So what is the logic is available in the admin API? Okay, in the admin API, we are having admin dashboard available. So what is there in the admin dashboard? When the admin login in the application, admin@gmail.com, and we are giving admin password, admin123. When admin login, admin dashboard page is coming. How many customers are available in the system? How many users registered in our system? How many orders received in our system? How much amount we collected? Total how many products available in our system, that we are displaying in the admin dashboard. And the next one, filter orders available. So here you can generate the report. I want to see the orders which are received in the current week. Okay, so start date from 14th of October to this one, 17th of October. How many orders are available? I can check it. For example, if I see the orders from October 1st to October 6th, filter. There are no orders available. So you can filter the order based on the customer email ID. You can filter the order based on the date also. If I clear the date, if I give only my mail ID, filter, there is one record available with the given mail ID. This order I have placed on the 16th of October with yesterday's date, order is created. This is customer email ID, customer phone number, customer order status, created, total price, quantity, tracking number, Razorpay payment, the details available. View products, check the order details. So in this, what is the product that we have ordered? Okay, ThinkPad laptop we have ordered. I think product name and price is not coming. We need to fix this issue. So when you go for filter orders, the orders are filtered. Reports, admin dashboard is available, and order reports generation. Order reports generation. Reports generation for orders. Okay. Then next one, view order details. View order details. That means, so that customer placed one order, what items are available in the order, we can see view products, then you can go back here also. So like this, we are having admin functionality. So here admin dashboard is available, reports generation is available, and view order details are available. So these are the 5 things, the 5 modules we have implemented in our application. One is products and category menu, which is talking to products API in the backend. Second one, cart functionality, which contains only front end of our application. Add to cart, view cart, increment and decrement quantity is available, and remove the products from the cart. Okay, so cart functionality does not have any backend integration. It is purely handled in the front end only. Then coming to checkout functionality, so checkout form to capture customer and address details. Razorpay integration is available in the backend. Storing order and order items in the database. Razorpay integration in the front end. After payment got processed, update order status in the database. Okay. Then customer functionality, customer registration, which is talking to the backend API. Login, forgot password, reset password, and dashboard. Admin functionality, admin API available, admin dashboard, reports generation, view order details, all these functionalities are available. So this is the complete flow of our application, whatever we have completed so far. Reports, dynamic search, and one more thing is there, view order details. View order info, that is also available in our admin API. Are you clear with my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you go ahead once time? Can you show in the backend as well? The backend side how to start it?
Just 4 APIs are available. All the 4
Sure.
APIs are there in my Git repository. You can take from the GitHub.
And sir, what about the front end one?
Front end I have given for few people who are contributing to the project.
So if you want to get,
Yeah, I have not given as a public. The people who are contributed to this project I have given, I will give this as a public. Everyone can access this.
sir, can you give public? I want to access this application.
Sure. Okay, look at this functionality, guys. Whatever we have completed.
So all services is written is where, sir, in front end side?
Are you attending first class today for the project?
No, sir, no, sir. Actually,
Then
so actually working people. So can you, I mean, the services written in where front end side, like each particular module or?
for every functionality, separate service is available. In the
Okay.
multiple service classes are available. For every module, separate service will be there. Forgot password service, order service, product service, and row
Okay.
service, checkout service, art cart service, admin service. Multiple services will be available. Why only one service?
Okay. So I mean, you are written all services package, right, sir? Yes, sir.
Right.
So can you do public? So can I check out this?
Sure, I will once it is completed, then I will give. As of now, the people who are contributing to the project, only for them I have given the access. I will make it public. Okay. Perfect. Good, guys. Next.
So, sir, if I want to get, so how can I get it right now in my system?
You want to access the project?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first you check out all the backend APIs. So you need to make the changes to the database properties, Razorpay properties and all. So you set up the backend APIs, and today by evening I will give the front end API repository to clone that.
So I have taken that backend. I have taken, sir, in system,
It is
but
working.
that is so only issue getting front end side. So front end side not able to get it.
Sure, I will give that today. Good, guys. Any questions, anyone, as of now on the functionality, whatever we implemented? Any questions, anybody on the functionality, whatever we have implemented, whatever is completed as of now? Whatever is completed as of now, anybody having any questions on this? So if you are clear, then we'll discuss about the next requirement.
Yeah, actually, there are two scenarios. Some failure scenario, if you want, we can check.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just can you go to that the web page? Yeah. So actually, if you one thing, right? Okay, just think we can add one thing to cart, one product to cart. Okay. In the backend, I think front end code, if you are changing anything, think Razorpay. For example, if the Razorpay is down, so what will happen? It will create the order, but it will not confirm. Okay. Again, we will once we create a new session, again that will be I think still remain as created. Okay. So I want to handle something like if it is created and if it is not confirmed, again we have to revert the data in the database. I mean, we have to revert the database. So to replicate that one, can you go to the
Or else
visual?
we can do one thing.
Hmm.
If the order is already created
Okay.
and the order payment is failed, okay,
Okay.
then it will be there in the customer dashboard. We can display the order status is created, proceed to pay now. So because generally in the Amazon or Flipkart, today I placed the order, I'm trying to place the order, I added items to the cart and my payment is failed. Then when I access the Flipkart again, it will show your order is still pending, waiting for the payment. We can display that. No need to, revert the changes in the database.
Okay. Okay. Then we have to trigger somewhere, right? Okay. From in the dashboard. Okay.
In the dashboard, we can give the option, proceed to pay. Payment is pending, proceed to pay. So whenever I log in here uh, with my email ID, this order is payment confirmed. So I'm getting the status as confirmed. Suppose if there is any order, I placed the order, but my payment is failed. The status is in the created. When the status is in the created, we can give one extra column, proceed to pay. Payment is pending, proceed to pay.
Okay. Then we can call the backend the
Huh.
payment thing. We can.
Right.
Okay.
Already customer is logged in. We know customer ID. Okay. And when we click on proceed to pay, then we can access. Already address is also saved in the database. Everything is saved. Only payment is pending. We can make the backend call for the payment.
Yeah. Okay. So this we can check like later. Slowly we can.
Fine. That's not required for us. So we are not delivering this project to the client.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the refresh. So once we log in, after we refresh, right?
Browser refresh is one thing that we need to handle. So in multiple places, the refresh is affected here.
Yes.
When I
Yes.
click add to cart, when I click on the icon again, it is refreshed. And when I log in after refresh also, menu is getting updated. So one is the thing, browser refresh functionality we need to handle. That is one major issue we have now.
Yes, yes. I have checked the start yesterday, but after that it went to more detail we need discussion. Again, if you're using the JSON web token, we can make more state management, then only we can handle. I will just look into that today sometime.
Yeah,
And,
please, you do some research on this. And one more person is there who can handle Ganesh or someone. Gopal. Gopal, can you look into this browser refresh functionality? Browser refresh issue is there. Can you do some research? You and Kannan can do some research on this to handle this browser refresh functionality. That is one of the biggest problem that we have now.
Hello. Yes, Ashok.
Yeah, hi Gopal.
Hi. Which task, Ashok? Browser refresh.
Sorry,
Which task I have to handle?
browser refresh. When I am adding the item to the cart,
Huh?
when I refresh it, cart is becoming empty.
Okay.
It should not. After login also, after admin login, when I refresh the browser, it is going back to the normal user. You discuss with Kannan and you people should work on this part.
Okay, okay, sure, Ashok.
Okay, good. Fine, guys. Next, if you are clear with all these things, whatever that we have completed so far, product functionality done, cart functionality is done, checkout functionality is done, customer functionality is done, admin functionality is done. Now, if you are clear with the functionality, whatever we done, then I will go for the next requirement. Are you clear? So some
Sure.
10 people involved in this project development. We have done excellent work, guys. I appreciate all of you. So we got very good project now. Almost 80 to 90% of the project is completed. One small functionality we'll implement, then we will convert into microservices architecture. Any questions, anybody? 10 people are actively involved in the project development. So I am hoping that remaining people also developing this project. Backend APIs and front end. If you take my project to source code, there is no benefit. There is no benefit. In the internet, you will get this code for free of cost also. The main agenda here, whether you are able to develop this project on your own or not. If you can develop this project on your own, you are equal to 3 to 4 years experienced developer. If you are just listening the class and if you are waiting for my GitHub repository to access, then there is no use. Already backend APIs I have given in the public. Front end I have not given in the public. I will give that also. I don't have any problem to share the repository, but there is no use. If you, if you are not involved in the development, there is no use of that. If you involve, if you develop, then you will get some problem, then you will research and you will code it, then you will learn something. That is the meaning of the real-time project. Real-time project means it's not one person work. One person cannot complete the entire project in 1 month of time. If I want to do everything on my own in the class daily 1 hour, this may take 2 to 3 months of time. So that's the reason 10 people involved in this development, everybody working on some task. They are working 7 to 8 hours on the task and they are completing. Okay, if you see the number of people who involved in this development. So if you see, I have given the collaborator access for the people who involved in this development process. Gopal involved, Kannan, Rajeshwar, Rakesh, Sadanand, Sahil, and Tejal. So these people involved in this project development, both front end and back end, they have completed. So in this entire project, I completed only one thing, that is product API, back end API product, and product functionality in the front end. Remaining all these things completed by our people only. So I have done only the product API implementation in the back end, and this product 5 functionalities, the first 5 functionalities only I have implemented. Loading the products, loading the category menu also Kannan has done that. Filtering the products, searching the products, product master view, these functionalities I have implemented in the live class. And the remaining functionalities I have given as a task for the people. They have done the research and they have implemented. Today, this is our project. Today, this is the shape of our project. I have not explained Razorpay integration. They have learned that concept on their own. They have researched and they are able to integrate Razorpay in our application for the payment gateway. Backend integration, Razorpay is integrated in the Spring Boot. Razorpay is integrated in the Angular also. And cart functionality, excellent functionality implemented. So when we add the products to the cart, there is no backend. Completely it is handled in the front end. We are able to increment the quantity. We are able to decrement the quantity. And the login functionality is available. Sign up, login, forget password, resetting the password functionality. And admin dashboard is available. So these all functionalities developed by our batch students only. So it is a teamwork, guys. It's not one person. So group of people involved and developing this project. So in the real time also same thing will happen. One person will not develop the entire project. The project functionalities will be divided into multiple tasks and multiple developers will take those tasks and will collaboratively work and will integrate the code in the repository. When we are integrating the code, we got a lot of conflicts. So we have resolved those conflicts and we committed that code to GitHub repository. Are you clear with my point now? So 7 to 8 people are involved and they are up to date, whatever is there in my system. So same thing they have developed it. What about the remaining people? Whatever the remaining people, but you are just observing the class or you are also trying to develop this code? What is the status of your project implementation? Tomorrow, when you want to keep this project in your resume, you should know each and everything, how the coding is implemented in this project. If you involved in this coding, then you will get the more clarity on that part. Come on, guys. What is the status of the remaining people? Could you please respond in the chat box? Remaining people, what's going on? Are you developing this project or you are just watching the class? Are you developing this project or you are just watching the class? Come on, guys. I'm not getting any response. Please respond something. I will wait for another 2 minutes. I want response from the remaining people. What's going on? Are you guys developing or you are not developing? How many of you waiting for my GitHub repository access? No response. So they are not interested. I can't do anything. Okay, fine guys. So next functionality, that is notifications functionality, I want to implement in the backend guys. There is nothing related to front end here. Notifications we want to implement in our system. Sir, what notifications that we can implement in our system? When the customer has done the payment, the order is getting confirmed. If the payment is not completed, the order is still in the created state. So if you go to our database table, we have one table called orders table is available. So when the customer placed the order is getting created and the order status will be available. Initially, it will be in the created state. And after payment is completed, the order status is updated as confirmed. And here, one more extra column we need to maintain in the order table, that is called delivery date. One more column we need to maintain in the order table, which is called delivery date. So whenever you place the order, your delivery date will be confirmed. On the day of delivery, today, suppose I placed one mobile order in the Amazon, then today my mobile is getting delivered. Today morning, I will get a message. Today morning, I will get a message to my WhatsApp saying that your delivery, your product is on the way to deliver at your home. Get ready to take your order. Get ready to take your order. That kind of message is coming to WhatsApp and that message is coming to my email also. That is kind of a notification those people are sending. So basically here, I want to implement notifications. It is a pure backend API, nothing related to the front end. So send delivery updates updates to customer. Send delivery updates to customer on product delivery date. On product delivery date. Okay, products are getting delivered. Today delivered. So send delivery updates to customer on product delivery date. Okay. And the next one, if customer orders are not confirmed, order is placed, order is not confirmed. That means payment is pending. We need to send a reminder to the customer regarding you try to purchase a product, but you have not completed that purchase successfully. Your order status is available still in the created state. If the order status is created, that means the payment is not completed. Order is created, but payment is not completed. If the order status is updated as a confirmed, then only we can say the order payment is confirmed. Once the payment is confirmed, we can populate the delivery date for the customer. Once the status is confirmed, then we can update the delivery date. So today, what we can do, dummy, we are not delivering any products here. Once the order status is updated, we will populate the column value delivery date. Give 2 days as a delivery date. Today, if the payment is completed, then 19th is going to be the delivery date of the product. So whoever completed the payment, when the order status is confirmed today, then delivery date we are giving as after 2 days, 19th. Suppose if the order is confirmed on the 15th, today is going to be the delivery date. If order is confirmed on the 16th, tomorrow is going to be the delivery date. If order is confirmed tomorrow, then 20th is going to be the delivery date. So like this, in the order table, we can maintain one column, delivery date column. Why we are maintaining the delivery date column? In order to send notifications to the customers. Send delivery updates to the customer on the product delivery date. Okay. Notifications, delivery notifications should go every day morning at 7 a.m. because the delivery boys are going to start their delivery process from morning 7 a.m. So every day morning 7 a.m. we need to send the delivery notifications, guys. Note, send delivery notification, send delivery notification every day at 7 a.m. IST only. At morning 7 a.m. IST, our service should send the notifications to the customers in WhatsApp as well as in the email. Send delivery updates to customer on product delivery date. Suppose today there are 100 deliveries are available. For all the 100 customers, we need to send the delivery notification morning at 7 a.m. IST. What notification we need to send? We need to send WhatsApp message from the system and we need to send email also. Two notifications I have to send. A WhatsApp message I have to send and email notification also I have to send for the customer. So today there are 1,000 deliveries available in the Amazon. For all the 1,000 customers, a notification should go morning at 7 a.m. Automated notification we have to send. This is something like a job scheduling. This is something like a batch job concept in the real-time project. So suppose in Amazon today, 1 lakh deliveries are available. Do you think that one Amazon employee will send WhatsApp message to 1 lakh deliveries manually? Guys, today, overall in India, today 1 lakh deliveries available in the Amazon. Do you think that Amazon employees will send WhatsApp message to 1 lakh customers manually at 7 a.m.? Today your delivery is there. So it's a manual notification or it is a automated notification. Guys, come on. It's a manual notification or it is a automated notification in the real-time project. Please respond, guys.
Automated.
It is an automated notification. I want to implement that notification system in our project. I want to implement that notification system in our project. So what we need to do is we need to develop one microservice, guys. In our application, we need to develop one microservice. That microservice is notifications API. I want to develop one microservice. That microservice is notifications API. What is the responsibility of this notifications API in our system? The notifications API is responsible to send the notifications to the customers on daily basis. So to which customers it will send the notifications? Every day morning, it has to identify today how many products are available, how many deliveries available today. So in the order table, we need to create one column called delivery date. When the delivery date will be updated, when the order status is confirmed, that means payment is successful, then it is confirmed. Then the delivery date will be available. Based on the delivery date, you need to execute one query. Select star from table, order table, where delivery date is equal to sys date. So today, how many deliveries are available? You need to identify all those customers' data. For all those customers, you need to send one WhatsApp message as well as you need to send one email. What you need to send? Hey, good morning. Today, your product is out for delivery. Be ready to receive your product. That message I want to send to the customer WhatsApp number as a WhatsApp message. And the same thing we can send in the email also. Okay, some people may not receive the WhatsApp message. So that's why I want to send two notifications, email notification and WhatsApp notification also. Okay, are you clear with my point? And when we are sending this notification, I want to send order invoice also. So when we want to send this notification, I want you people to generate one PDF and I want you to send that PDF as an attachment in the email. So whenever you purchase a product, are you getting the PDF invoice to your email as an attachment, guys? Do you know what is a invoice? What is invoice?
After ordering,
Or receipt.
Order details, which order you purchased, which product you purchased, what is the price of the product, what is the quantity, how much amount you paid. Okay, so when that amount is when the payment is completed, what is the delivery date. Okay, all those things we need to generate in one PDF. We need to send that PDF in the email attachment. So send delivery updates to customer on product delivery date. Send delivery notification every day at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. notifications should be sent. Automated notifications, which is automated. Right, WhatsApp message and email with a invoice as attachment. Email with invoice as an attachment. This is one thing. And the second thing, send payment reminders. Send payment reminders for the customers whose orders are not confirmed. They tried to place the order, but payment is failed. So the order status is still in the confirmed status only. The order status is still created only, not confirmed. Send payment reminders for customers whose orders are not confirmed. Okay. So send payment reminder notification every day at 6 p.m. IST or every day at 8 p.m. IST. Send payment reminder notification. Send payment reminder notifications every day at 9 p.m. IST. Every day at 9 p.m. IST. Only WhatsApp message. Only WhatsApp message we are going to send. Hi, you placed one order, but still your payment is pending. So please proceed with the payment to receive the order. That kind of notification I want to send. Basically, two types of notifications we are sending in the application. One notification, delivery updates we are sending to the customers on the day of delivery. Second notification, for which customer orders are still not confirmed. We need to identify those records today from morning onwards. How many orders received? How many orders are not confirmed? Today from morning onwards, we need to check today order date, created date is equal to sys date. So today, how many orders are received? So out of these orders, how many orders are still in the created state? Assume that today we got 1000 orders. Out of 1000 orders, there are 150 orders not confirmed. That means payment is not confirmed, not completed for the 150 orders. For those 150 customers, we need to send the notification in the WhatsApp message at 9 p.m., which is automated notification. You no need to do anything. Automatically, our microservices should send WhatsApp message at 9 p.m. to those customers. That is automated notification system. This functionality is available in existing e-commerce applications or not? Guys, come on. This functionality is available in existing e-commerce applications, or this functionality not available in the existing e-commerce applications? Are you getting the notification on the day of delivery?
Yes.
Are you getting the notifications or you are not getting the notifications? We are getting the notifications and payment reminders for the customers whose orders are not confirmed. So you try to purchase a product. Once it comes to the payment, you close the project. You don't do the payment. After 1 hour or after 1 day, you will get a notification. Your payment is still due. Please proceed with the payment in order to confirm the order. That notification also we are going to get. I want to implement same functionality in our system. So for this one, front end is not required. It is completely back end scheduling notification service. So you need to deal with order table in the database. So we need to populate delivery date. Kannan. So once you are updating the order status now, you update what delivery date also. So created date plus 2 days you can consider for the delivery date. You understand my point? Hello? Kannan, are you there?
Yes, yes, Ashok. So you
So
were asking to create one.
Whenever we go for this checkout functionality, right? You are confirming the order in the backend. Where is the checkout service? Checkout service.ts is available. Post payment payload you are sending, right?
Yes, yes.
Place order. Where is that method which is used to confirm the order? Payment verification. Huh?
No, yes, yes. Yeah, that is the one. Payment verification.
This one, right? Payment verification.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are updating the order status as confirmed in the backend. when you are updating the order status as confirmed in the backend, let me go to order API. Let me open the REST controller in the order API. You are creating the order and you are confirming the order, payment confirmed. Okay. So get razor pay signature, verify payment and update order status. Yes. Here you are updating the order status, set order is confirmed. Here you need to set the delivery date for the order. So you get the local date now, today's date, when the order is confirmed. Plus 2 days you need to set as a delivery date. Just
Plus
one
2
new
days.
column we need to add in the database.
Yeah, okay. So we have to change the entity of the order, right?
Yes, order entity will be changed. So we are going to maintain one extra column in the order entity. In that order entity, we will mention delivery date. So what is the delivery date we are going to populate? When you are confirming the status, right? Then populate the delivery date, 2 days date plus 2 days. Today, if it is confirmed, from next 2 days, next 2 days we'll consider as a delivery date.
Okay, Ashok. So no change in the front end, only while getting the
Only UI. No change in the front end. It's completely back end.
directly we are triggering. Yeah, okay, okay, Ashok.
Else I will make that change, I will push to Git repo. Or else you can do it. If you have the access for repo, you can push it.
Yes, I can do this. The small change. I will do this.
Yes, you just need to populate the delivery date once the order status is confirmed. And I want another person who can implement this requirement. It's pure backend API. One new microservice we need to create. In that microservice, we need to implement notifications concept, and we need to implement 2 notifications here. One is sending the delivery updates to the customer on the order delivery date. So you need to check how many orders available for the delivery today. You need to take all those records. You have in the order table, you can see in the order table, customer email is available and a customer ID is available. So based on the customer ID, you need to get the customer record and a customer mobile number is available in that table. Okay. Then, so if you go to order table, how many orders available with the delivery date today, you need to identify. Customer email ID is already available. Customer mobile number is available in the customer table. Customer ID is available in this table. Based on this customer ID, we need to get the customer record. And for that customer, we need to send a WhatsApp message and we need to send the email with the invoice as an attachment. So invoice attachment, nothing but you need to say that you take any sample invoice from the Amazon or Flipkart, whatever you receive. I want to generate that kind of PDF, invoice as an attachment, PDF. So you need to send one PDF as an attachment. You need to generate the PDF. What is the order? What product they ordered? What is the quantity? What is the price? When the order is placed? What is the status of the order? How much amount they paid? What is the delivery date? So all those things we will prepare as one PDF. That PDF we need to send as an attachment. That is one functionality. And the second functionality, again you need to retrieve orders which orders are not confirmed. The order is just created but not confirmed. Today orders which are not confirmed. So you take the records, you take the customer details, customer mobile number, send only WhatsApp message to the customers regarding order status is not confirmed. So this is the requirement. So you need to integrate our Spring Boot microservice application with the WhatsApp API, and you need to implement email functionality, and you need to generate a PDF also using our Spring Boot. 3 things are here: email integration, WhatsApp integration, and PDF generation, and sending the notification automatically. Automatically, it should execute at 7 a.m. to send the notifications. Automatically, it should execute at 9 p.m. to send the notifications. That is called the scheduling concept. In the real time, this kind of scheduling functionality will be available. And this is the last functionality that we are implementing in this project, guys. Notifications.
Ashok, once we update the delivery date in the order table, this
Yeah.
microservice will go and check that particular table and it will create notification, right?
Correct.
So there is no communication between order and this notification.
Not required.
Not required. So this will, so you have to make this run for every 1 hour or something like that, because
No, it will run every day 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. it will get all the deliveries
okay.
available
So
today, and it will send. At
Spring
9 p.m.
batch.
it will execute and it will send the notification. It will run 2 times. 7 a.m. it will send one notification for the delivery updates. 9 p.m. it will send one notification for the payment reminders which are not confirmed. That's it.
Okay. So Spring Batch, I think involved, right?
Spring
Like
batch you can implement, or normal way you can implement it. Spring
Okay.
scheduling we can implement.
Okay. Then WhatsApp integration, email, normal one.
WhatsApp integration, email integration, that is important.
Okay.
PDF generation, sending PDF as a attachment. I want a new person who can take care of this notification service. Come on, guys. Who is interested to develop this new microservice? There is no Angular integration here. It's pure backend microservice. Nothing related to front end here. Only notifications related to backend. Anyone who is interested to develop this notification service? If nobody is interested, then I have to develop this. Any new person who want to contribute for this project, guys? Any new person who want to contribute for this project? Nobody is interested, huh? Jitendra? He is not interested. Purnachandra? Mr. Purnachandra.
Yes, I will try.
So I want you to show me this by tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You will try that, right? So
Yeah, I will try.
can you tell me what you understood from this requirement? What is my expectation? You got the, so could you please tell me what is your understanding, what you need to develop?
Yeah, once order is delivered,
Mhm.
then I need to fetch the records order from the order table,
Mhm.
and I need to send the means like email with invoicement on the order means delivery date
Mhm.
and payment reminders on every day 9 p.m.
Mhm. I did not understand. Could you please elaborate more? What is the task?
So when order is placed successfully,
Mhm.
then I need to send an invoice to the as a attachment to
Mhm.
all the customers
Mhm.
at 7 a.m. IST every
Mhm.
day.
Mhm.
And I will need to
No,
fetch the
your
records from
understanding
the
is
order.
wrong. It is not when the order is placed. Your understanding is incorrect. Can you read the first point?
Delivery updates to the customer on delivery date.
That means
Yeah,
what?
on the
What
delivery
is the
date,
meaning
not
of this?
order date.
What is
Order
the
date
meaning
plus
of this
2 days.
point? Hold on, hold on. What is the meaning of this point? When you need to send the notification, when the order is placed, or every day we need to send the notification?
On the
When?
delivery day, order date plus 2 days after 2 days.
No, man. Every day 7 a.m. you need to identify which records are having the delivery date as today. That is the logic.
Okay.
So your understanding is that is a mismatch. Whatever I'm explaining, whatever your understanding is not matching. So that means you are not understanding the requirement properly. If you are not understanding the requirement properly, your implementation will become wrong. For
Yeah,
example,
okay. Every day at 7 p.m. I need to check what is the means delivery date as per the current date.
yes.
Yeah.
Then you need to get those customer details and you need to send a WhatsApp message to the customer through your code. And you need to prepare one PDF as a invoice PDF. Take any invoice in the Google sample invoice PDF. In that way, you need to generate a PDF with the order details, customer details, address details, and you need to send that PDF to the email as a attachment. That is one thing. And what is the second thing? What is the second requirement?
Payment reminders for the customers, those payments are failed
How do
and
you
not
understand the
confirmed.
payments are failed?
We have payment status, right? Confirmed and created.
Yes. you need to identify whose orders are still in the created state.
Yes.
Okay, those that
Yeah.
created state means the payment is not confirmed. So you need to identify the records. Today orders which are still in the created by 9 p.m. you need to take that.
Yes, yes.
Or else we can do one thing. Send payment reminders for the customers whose orders are not confirmed, where created date is yesterday. So what all the orders placed yesterday, still the payments are not confirmed, because if you send 9 p.m. by 9 p.m. After 9 p.m. if any order is received, we'll miss that, right? So we can do one thing. Send payment reminders for customers whose orders are not confirmed and created yesterday. Yesterday orders which are not confirmed, only yesterday orders which are not confirmed. Every day we will identify yesterday records which are not confirmed. For those records, we need to send a notification in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, fine.
You got my point? So
Yes.
you need to create one separate microservice. So there is no dependency. You just need to talk to customer table and order items table. I think already backend APIs are available. You can run the backend APIs. You can insert some dummy records in the database table and you can develop this API. No
Okay.
front-end, only backend. So you are going to deal with order table, customer table, address table, order items table. Already backend microservice available in the GitHub repository. You clone those repositories, you run the backend APIs, then tables will be created. Then you insert some dummy data into tables. Then you develop this API. And tomorrow I will see what is your implementation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
How to integrate our Spring Boot application with the WhatsApp integration. Previously, I have conducted one free workshop on the WhatsApp integration. So it is new to for us how to integrate our Spring Boot application with the WhatsApp, right? How to send the WhatsApp message. There is one video, Spring Boot with WhatsApp Business API integration video I have uploaded in the YouTube. If you go through this video, then you will understand how the WhatsApp integration will happen in the Spring Boot. Email integration already we know. So WhatsApp integration you need to understand. There is a video for that. You got it? I'm going to give
Yeah, I
this.
will go through. Yeah.
So today requirement, notifications we need to implement in our project. Send delivery notifications to customer and send delivery notifications to customer on delivery date. Send delivery notifications. We need to send, we should send delivery notifications every day at 7 a.m. IST. It is automated schedule. WhatsApp message, email with invoice as a attachment. And the second notification, send payment reminders for the customers whose orders are not confirmed and created yesterday. Send payment reminder notification every day at 9 p.m. IST, a WhatsApp message, automated message we need to send it. So this is a separate microservice that we are going to create. It does not have any relationship with the front-end application. It is only pure back-end application. Purna is going to work on this requirement. Let us see how much he will complete by tomorrow. All of you understand the requirement. When I say Purna is going to implement, it's not only for Purna. Remaining people also should try to implement. Tomorrow you may get this kind of requirement in the real time. You got it? Perfect. Fine, guys. So with this, I'm done for today. Any questions? Anybody? Anybody having any questions? Anybody having any questions? So this is the last functionality that we are going to implement in our project, notifications. Good. Thank you guys. So I'm stopping for today. We'll meet in the tomorrow session.